In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Google Analytics account with Google Ads account. Go to Tools and Settings, click on Linked Accounts. So go to Google Analytics 4 and Firebase, click on Details, and you can see the list of ad accounts, list of Google Analytics accounts you have access of, and click the related accounts. Here I am going to connect with profex.co.in. Click on link on this Google Analytics audiences. Click on link. Project successfully linked. Here you can see my Google Analytics 4 account has been linked with my Google Ads account. Thank you so much.